All right, I've gotten a lot of requests to go fly over the Getty Center. Also, I've gotten a lot of requests, probably just to stop saying I've gotten a lot of requests. You get it. A lot of people want to have me fly over their place. But the Getty Center is such a remarkable spot. They spent like $1.3 billion building the place. It's filled with very expensive art. It's a really neat spot. So let's take a look. And there's a helicopter flying on the other side of it. And we got the marine layer rolling in here. And it's sunset. Not that the building needs any help, but this is a pretty nice time. Let's fly over. Holy hell. What an establishment. Nothing makes you feel quite so schlubby as flying over the Getty Center. I'm going to do a left turn here, and then we'll go from the south to north.
Santa Monica Tower, medevac helicopter 433 off the kilos approaching the Grove, landing UCLA.
Come left here, and we'll come in from the south. Yeah, you know what, let's do this the dramatic way.
Santa Monica Tower, medevac helicopter 433 off the kilo.
Vehicle Unit 2 to 433, be advised tower closes at 1600 hours local time.
Bringing it down, and then we'll bring it back up.
Can you repeat for 3 off the kilo, please? I was really broken.
Man, what a building.
Be advised tower closes at 1600 hours local time.
Copy that. Appreciate it. Thanks.
All right.
Santa Monica traffic, medevac helicopter 433 off the kilos over the Blue Well. Going to be landing UCLA. Santa Monica.
This is a majestic building. I feel like majestic is probably the word I use most often in these videos to describe the places, but I mean, Getty Center, man. All right, and just to maximize my time here, I'm going to do one more lap at high altitude. And by high altitude, I mean maybe 1,700 feet. By the way, the Getty Center is at 900 feet, which is not particularly high by helicopter standards, but it's a really wonderful view for Santa Monica in general,
Traffic fires.
Los Angeles.
405, 101, 110.
And you know, it looks like there's traffic inbound from the east. I believe that's that medevac helicopter. Just do a little light maneuvering here. Oh man, the sunset over there. I know we're here for the Getty Center, but that is a beautiful sunset. So we got the sun setting over there, due west. Then we got the marine layer rolling in. We got beautiful orange clouds. And look at this view! Some days you feel extra lucky. Okay, we're going to come in kind of high over the Getty Center just to get the whole viewpoint. Helicopter 285 operating over the Getty Center, 1,800. One last pass. Marveling at the sheer grandeur of the place. Have you been to the Getty Center, and if so, what inspired you there? Does that sound like a first date question? It kind of does. Look, I don't want to be too forward, but will you join me at the Getty Center? All right. Well, that was a quick one, but I think that was a really fun one. Thank you, all the people who suggested Getty Center. And thank you, everybody, for your support. I really appreciate it. If you want to support the channel and you need sunglasses, go check out Flying Eyes. There's a promo link in the description down below where you can save some money. It's a great way to support the helicopter and keep it full of fuel, which is very expensive.
I'm on Chapter Fire 6 is over Marina Del Rey. We'll be turning northwestbound on the road.
All right, I am moving on. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.